Hi, I'm Caitlin Yun, and I play for Hoover softball, and this is Ohio Sportsnet.
Hi, I'm Gina Tubo. I play softball for Hoover, and this is Ohio Sportsnet.
Hi, I'm Jolene Teller from Nordonia Softball. This is Ohio Sportsnet.
Hi, I'm Hannah Prime from Nordonia Softball, and this is Ohio Sportsnet.
Respect the game. After 6.5 remaining, Hoover 4, Nordonia 1. $60,000 pieces of equipment to use. Shot for both backers. Nothing across for Nordonia in the bottom of 7. Final score of today's game, Hoover 4, Nordonia 1.
We lost by 3, but it was way closer than that, that's for sure, in my opinion. 1 was super critical. That should have been the 3rd out, to be honest. I don't like to complain about umpires. Her foot was not pulled, I promise you, and the next hitter 2-run shot over the fence. So that really set the tone for the game right in the first inning, and you know, it hurt. But the bottom line is we didn't string together the hits like they did. We did put the barrel on the ball, which I was happy about. I mean, but it was right to them. But yeah, just didn't string the hits together the way that they did.
I just was looking for a base hit, just trying to do best for my team, trying to move the runner, and felt good coming off the bat, and rounded first, I saw it was over. It felt really good, you know, just knowing that the team can kind of relax a little bit, having those 2 runs off the bat kind of set the mood for the whole game, and I really felt like everyone's confidence got raised. Today just felt really good. Felt everything was just perfect, like we were supposed to be here.
I know when someone gets something going, then the whole team's it brings everyone up and you get a rally going. It takes pressure off me. That's one of my favorite pitches, you know, it's always fun pitching it and watching people go after it. And
It means a lot. We're getting all our hits together finally. At the beginning of the season, we weren't really clicking that much, and we don't have like the best record, but we just are going to try and prove that record doesn't mean anything, and we're just going to come out hitting like the last games that we have. Whenever we saw that go over, I think a lot of girls were like, phew, like we can finally relax, play our game, just try to hit the ball hard and get some base hits and move runners around. Well, when I get in the box, I don't try to ever hit a home run, because that just results in pop-ups. But I go up there and I think just hit the middle of the ball and hit it hard, and it's been going my way.
The 6 seniors that we have, I have an entire senior infield, and they have showed this program these past 3 years especially how to win, how to compete. They led us here 3 times in a row. They've made history with the program. They broke records. They set records. So I just can't say enough about the senior class and what they've done for this program.